I'm Mark Styczynski. I am an assistant professor of chemical and biomolecular engineering at Georgia Tech. I am the deputy director of the computational modeling core. Systems biology means taking a look at a biological system, but not looking at just one focused part of it, but trying to understand all of it and trying to understand, in particular, the interactions between the small parts. Because people are more used to studying one thing in great depth, and that's extremely important. But unless you understand how that one specific thing interacts with the other parts, then you can't really understand how the whole system works, and then you can't actually begin to fight the system in the case of a disease like malaria. So in our case, what we're going to be doing is taking all of the data that's being generated and then using what we call machine learning approaches to try to identify some patterns that are in the data. So essentially, there are two different kinds of modeling you can do. You can take a structured approach based on things that you already know and then try to refine your understanding of those. Whereas this is taking a totally different approach and saying, what don't we know? And how can I look at the data and use only the data to tell me what interactions, what relationships there are between different variables and different parts of the disease so that we can then begin to put those into the detailed models that are based on our understanding and then really turn the corner and get totally new insights into the disease. So there are two things that really super excite me. The first is all of the amazing people that are involved in the project. There are a bunch of people that are absolute experts in their field, and to be able to work with them and then see them bring their diverse expertise to bear on one central problem is super exciting. The other aspect that I find really exciting is the diversity of data sets that I'll get to begin to analyze, because I'll begin to look at different levels of the biological system, whether you're talking about metabolites or genes or immunology. And so to try to bring those all together into one cohesive model, that's really one of the next frontiers of biology. And so it's exciting to try and to get to do that here.